Geeks love living with animals, and recently they have used various fabric products, such as sofas, rugs, and mats. So, Geek introduces the world's first fabric vacuum cleaner, in Korea. Even if your pet makes a mistake, spray detergent and suck it in, and fabric will clean it quickly and neatly. You can clean up without worrying about various life pollution, such as wine, chocolate syrup, and ice cream. It also effectively cleans old car dust, mats, and baby car seats. Always keep yourself fast and comfortable, even in a store with many customers. Now, meet Geek's fabric vacuum cleaner for all fabric cleaning that cannot be done with the washing machine.